This is the Tongkat Ali supplement capsules. This is the newest arrived from our factory. Tongkat Ali, also named as Eurycoma Longifolia. The most common specification is the 200:1 extract ratio powder. Here, the one I'm holding now has 16 capsules in it. This is the open seal. This is the new one. Every bottle you receive will be sealed very safely. And for this Tongkat Ali capsules, we have used the white capsules. This is the size 0. We can also offer you transparent capsules or any color you want and any size you need, like size 1, size 00, size 2. Also, we have different size of bottles. We can provide you 120 capsules or 13 capsules in one bottle. This is the black bottle without the label, and we can offer you OEM for any kind of design you need. This is our previous design. We can design the label for you for free of charge. Beside the capsules, we can also provide you with gummies, tablets, pills, and soft gels. The capsule I'm holding now is the Tongkat Ali capsules. Here, let me open it for you. This is the brown powder in white capsules. Any color you need, we can get it for you, or transparent capsules is also available.